Are your students afraid of failure? Let's talk about what to do about that. I often hear that students are afraid of failing. So let's talk about why students are so afraid to take risks and they're so afraid to fail. Here's what I'm hearing. I'm hearing from teachers that kids are afraid of being judged. They're afraid of not getting the A. That is a mindset that we know we can change in our classroom with just a few simple techniques. So let's talk about those. Number one, let's help our students understand what failure really means. One, have them look at some famous people that have failed. Have them do some research. Who do they love? Is there a sports figure that they love, that they revere? Is there a music artist that they love, that they revere? Look at people like Michael Jordan, Oprah Winfrey. Any of these people have gone through major failure in their life, and yet they've come up on top. How have they failed? How have they recovered? How have they handled those failures? Let's just look at their story. Allowing students to see that is vital. That's a great first step. Here's another one. How have you failed? Be vulnerable with your students. I share my stories with my students all the time. You're not going to believe last night I tried to make this recipe and it completely flopped. It was terrible. It was awful. Being genuine with our students and letting them know that we are human, we failed, and here's how we recovered, allows them to see things in reality. Okay. Before we go any further, I want to know what your students are afraid of. Comment below, and I'm going to read them later. Okay, back to the video. Here's another way. Making your students feel safe. Celebrate those failures. I have in my classroom a failure wall. You know how in your home maybe, or in your classroom, you have that wall of, oh, let's celebrate all these great A's. Look at these models. Let's have a failure wall. Let's celebrate those big whoops. Here is an epic failure. Isn't that great? Look at what we've learned from it. Having an environment in our classroom where we go, great job, epic failure. What do we learn? Changes the entire environment of a classroom. Let your classroom be a place where you celebrate the learning, not the grade, but the learning. That can help students go, it's okay. I failed today. You know what? It's okay. So I want to help you help your students. So I have a little bit of a gift for you. Click on the QR code and download our guide to how failure can inspire curiosity and increase learning.